One button. Wow! Wow! Link in description.
And there you see, we pushed the button and in matter of a couple of minutes we made 2260. And you see, just with a 57% win rate, doesn't matter, we still made money. Win rate in the end doesn't matter if you use the strategies correctly. So if you want this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video so you also can get started today to make money with binary option. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.